Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove the two-step verification on your email address. So if you guys would like to go ahead and remove your two-step notification or two-step verification on your Google account, all we need to go ahead and do is to go on over the Gmail application of our device, log on to your preferred Gmail account, and once you're here, I would like you to go on over on your Manage Google Account options. Just tap on your profiles and then tap on Manage your Google Account. Once you're here, let's go on over on Security. Okay, so once you're already on Security, I'd like you to go on over and under how you sign into Google, just tap on two-step verification, and then you could easily go ahead and wait for this to load. Of course, tap on continue just to confirm first that you are the user of this specific Gmail account. And once you have already verified that it is you can actually now proceed with going over this option to turn off two-step verification. Now that's going to be pretty easy, guys. So all we need to do is just tap on turn off two-step verification, tap on turn off again, and now your two-step verification is successfully turned off. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.